Hello, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good and happy. So, today we are going to begin with the lesson number 18. That is the sequence of the tenses. कि क्या sequence होता है in tenses का? So, let's begin with this lesson. Here, a sentence can contain a main clause. एक sentence में क्या होता है? एक main clause होता है and one or more subordinate clauses होता है. एक main clause और एक से ज़्यादा subordinate clauses भी होते हैं. A subordinate clause is a group of words containing a subject. A subordinate clause से क्या होता है? Group of words होता है जिसमें क्या होता है? Subject होता है, verb होती है and forming parts होते हैं sentence के. For example, we knew that the bridge was unsafe. He gave it to me because he trusted me. He knew that the bridge was unsafe. ठीक है? He gave it to me because he trusted me. This clause, he ran faster than we did. This is the picture that I bought in Kolkata. So in the sentences usually it is the main clause. यहाँ पे खाली एक main clause है जो govern कर रहा है tense को of the verb of subordinate clause. Like the rules regarding the sequence of tenses are as follows. Here are some rules. Whenever the verb, first rule क्या, whenever the verb is in the principal or main clause, जब आपकी verb principal या फिर main clause में है in the present or future tense. So the verb in the subordinate clause can be in the at any tense. जो verb होती है आपके subordinate clause में वो आपके किसी भी tense में हो सकते हैं. At the case में भी जो case पे depend करता है. Like यहाँ पे आपके main clause क्या है? He says. Subordinate clause क्या हो जाएगी? That he achieved a grand success. Main clause क्या है? He says that he will achieve a grand success. He will say that he achieves a grand success. यहाँ पे tense change हो रहा है. He will say that he is an intelligent boy. He say that he will become an intelligent boy. यहाँ पे tenses change over. These are your main clause. These are your subordinate clause. The verb in the main clause is in the past. जो verb आपकी main clause थी वो अगर past tense में है, the verb in the subordinate clause will also be in the past tense. जो verb होगी subordinate clause में वो भी past tense में होगी. Examples क्या है? I said that she was late. Subordinate clause का main clause में क्या है? He went fast so that she might reach in time. Main clause है he won a scholarship because he worked hard. Main clause है she agreed that she would stay here. Main clause he asked me, it would help him. ये क्या आपके subordinate clause हो गए. However, there are few exceptions to this rule. कुछ exceptions हैं इस rule के, like a past tense in the main clause is followed by a present tense. जो past tense होता है main clause वो किससे follow होता है? Present tense से in the subordinate clause. The later has a universal truth in it. अगर आपके उसमें universal truth है, so like main clause से the teacher said that the earth is round. ये universal truth है कि earth आपका round है. She said that the truth always trims. ये सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज है आपका. सेड क्या हो गया? मेन क्लॉज हो गया. इफ द सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज इज एन एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज. थर्ड सेकंड रूल क्या? अगर आपका सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज क्या है? एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज है आपके पास्ट टेंस में. इन द पास्ट टेंस इन द मेन क्लॉज में फॉलोड बाय एनी टेंस. किसी भी टेंस से फॉलो हो सकता है जो कन्वे करता है प्रॉपर सेंस को. फॉर एग्जांपल, यू डिड नॉट शो मी द स्टैम्प्स. सबऑर्डिनेट क्या होगा? दैट यू हैव. जो तुम्हारे पास से तुमने वो स्टैम्प्स मुझे नहीं दिखाए. I saw a saint who had a long beard and a saint because इसकी long beard थी. long beard थी मतलब क्या हो गया? Who had a long beard ये आपका subordinate clause हो गया. I met a magician main clause और subordinate clause क्या होगा आपका? Who is so funny trick, जो funny tricks दिखाएगा. थर्ड रूल क्या है? When the subordinate clause begins with some conjunction. अगर आपका subordinate clause उस conjunction से begin करता है, comparison the root to से comparison करता हुआ explained above does not apply for the example. ये जो rule जो है वो जो है ये उन examples पे apply नहीं होगा. Main clause क्या है? Mother loves you more subordinate than she loves me. Mother will love you more than she loves me. Mother loved you more than she is loving me. Present में हो गया, past में, future में. So, but if the comparison is shown by as well as, अगर comparison as well as से show रहा है instead of then same rule applies. That is any tense may be followed by any tense. कोई भी tense किसी से भी follow हो सकता है जो convey करता है proper sense को. For example, mother loves me as well as she loves me. बराबर हो गया, comparison नहीं हो रहा. Mother loves me as well as she loves Maya. So, mother loves me हो गया. The conjunction let is always followed by should. जो conjunction let है वो किससे follow होता है? should से follow होता है. She works hard lest she should fail. If the subordinate clause begins with as if, अगर आपकी subordinate clause as if से begin हो रहा है और as दो से be used past tense, हम past tense use करते हैं present tense के लिए and past perfect tense use करते हैं in place of simple past. Main clause क्या है? She works. Subordinate हो गई as if she were a queen. Main clause क्या है? She worked as if she had been a queen. Main clause she loves me as if I were her relations. She loved me as thought I had been her relation. So when a subordinate clause is introduced by a conjunction, अगर आपका subordinate clause किससे introduce हो रहा है? Conjunctions of purpose. Then if the verb in the main clause is in the present or future tense, जो verb होता है main clause में, अगर वो present या फिर future tense में है, तब अभी the subordinate clause is shown by major. verb है आपकी subordinate clause, वो किससे show होती है? may से show होती है. But if the verb in the main clause is in the past tense, अगर आपकी verb main clause से past tense में है, then it must be converted into might. might में convert हो जाएगी instead of may. For examples, here are some examples. main clause है हमारी she goes to Shimla. सबऑर्डिनेट हो गया सो दैट शी मे एंजॉय नेचर. अब क्या कन्वर्ट होगा? शी वेंट टू शिमला सो दैट शी माइट एंजॉय नेचर. शी वाज गोइंग टू शिमला सो दैट शी माइट एंजॉय नेचर. शी विल गो टू शिमला सो दैट शी मे एंजॉय नेचर. सो ये क्या हो गया? आपका मे का माइट में चेंज हो गया पास्ट में. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. See you in the next class.